Hello friends, myself Professor Santosh Tamboli. I congratulate you for successfully completing your semester 1 examination and welcome you for semester 2. Today we will study your most important, excellent and the career oriented subject, that is web programming. This is the only subject that allows you to enter in company. In this subject, we will study 4 topics. The first topic, HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. This topic totally focus on your design of your web page. The next topic is the CSS. If I want to create excellent web page, its style should be different from other web pages, I can use CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. The third one is the JavaScript. This is nothing but the coding part. So let us take one example. If I want to create Facebook account, I have to select one user ID and this user ID must be unique. But how I come to know that this user ID is unique? So whenever I enter my user ID, so this user ID must be compared with the earlier user IDs. And if this user ID is not present in Facebook database, then it will be created. This is possible by using this JavaScript. So let us take 2 more fields. Password and how to retype password. These 2 passwords must be same, but using only HTML, it is not possible. HTML is used to display just password and retype password, but to make the validation, JavaScript is used. Let us take one more example. I have to select alternate email ID for password recovery purpose. So what I will do, I have to enter email ID. But email ID is not valid without @ character. But if I don't enter @ character, I will get the message, email ID not valid. This is possible by using JavaScript. And the most important topic, the 4th topic that we'll study is the PHP. So I fill entire data. I enter user ID, password, retype password, email ID, age, address, anything. But when I select this submit button, this data must be stored somewhere else, say database. So for database connectivity, I have to use this PHP. So these 4 topics, if you study, you can easily create your web page. And this web programming, we'll study these 4 topics. Fine. So let us take one example. We'll create the table, which is a part of this HTML. So let us take this table. So table means the collection of rows and columns. So in this table, you can see there are 3 rows and 3 columns. The first row is called as a header row. Year, boys and the girls. And this is the actual table data. If I want to create this table, the first tag, the first word that I have to use is the HTML. But whenever I write this HTML in, say, angle bracket, it is called as tag. In HTML, there are hundreds of tags, and using this tag, we can easily create my web page. So let us take the first tag is the HTML. I want to give some title to my web page. So I have to use tag head. And inside this head, I have to use tag title. And let us take the title of my web page is table. and this is called as end of tag, forward slash and the name of the tag. So this is called as a opening tag, this is called as a closing tag. Then this head get completed. Then the whatever data that will study on web page, that should be present in body tag. And inside this body on web page, I want to display this table. So I have to use table tag. As you can see, this is the border. And I want to display this border. I can use attribute border. And border as 1. It is possible to give border more than 1 also. You will get this border, thick border. If I enter 5, the width of this border gets increased. So let's set border as 1. By default color of this border is black. I want to display red border. So what we will do? You have to add border color equal to red. So this is the first tag, table, if I want to display table. As you can see, there are 3 rows. First row is nothing but the header of the table. The first row, let us take, I have to use tag TR. TR stand for table row. But this table row is nothing but the header. So I have to use tag TH, table heading. Now the first heading is the year. And this is the closing tag for heading. Then the second heading is the boys. I have to use TH and the boys. This is the end of second heading. The third tag, I have to use the third data. I have to use girls. TH girls, and this is the end of third heading. So it's complete your first row. I have to close this TR tag. Now your second row, FY 50 boys and the 45 girls. So what I will do? One more row by using TR. Year, boys and girls. This is header, but this is your actual data. So you have to use TD tag. So TD stand for table data. The first data is the FY. Close this TD. Second table data, 50. Close this TD tag. Third data, number of girls, 45. Close this third data. This completes your second row. So close this TR tag. Now I want to create third row, SY 44 and the 42. So you need to create one more TR tag. Inside this TR tag, the first data, SY. Complete this TD tag. Then second data, number of boys, 44. This completes your second data. Then the third data, number of girls, 42. Completes your third data. This will complete your third row. It's a closing tag of TR. Your entire table gets created. Start table. You need to close this table. You need to close this body tag. And you need to close HTML tag. So when you write this program in Notepad, you have to save this program by .html extension. Say you store this program as table.html. table.html, or you can just store table.html and open this program in any web browser, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, in any web browser, you will see this table. One more, by default this table will get displayed on top left corner. But if I want to display this table at the center of your web page, so what you will do, you have to add one more attribute inside this table tag, align. So align equal to center. So likewise, there are many topics in HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP. Not topics, but the interesting topics. And you really love this subject. Vidyalankar is the only place where you can see excellent faculty to teach this subject. So I request all my dear friends to join Vidyalankar, not for this subject, but for all same two subjects, and make your career bright. Thank you.